What is it?
It's a lion. It's a lion.
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 Where do you put the lion?
What's this?
Get another one.
But we don't have another one.
What is that one?
Huh? It's a bunny.
Bunny rabbit.
The
Rabbit.
bunny.
Uh-huh.
What's his name?
What is it? What kind of animal is that?
It's a bird.
Okay. Where does bird go?
Right there.
Good job. What is that?
It's an alligator.
Okay.
What's an alligator? Right here?
What do you think? Where should he go?
Right there.
Good job. What is that?
Huh?
What is it? What is that?
It's a muddy.
It's a hippo.
Hippo?
Hippopotamus.
Is there pond in there? Right there.
Good job. Try another. Let me see. What is it?
It's a sheep.
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 Put it back. Put it where it goes.
What's it, Mom?
I don't know.
Up here?
Let's try and see.
I almost fell. Where'd it go?
I don't know. Put him where he goes. Oh,
Right
that's
here?
the lady sheep. She has a
here?
bow in her hair.
Right here?
I'm not sure.
Right here?
Where does sheep go? Looks really hard.
I'm gonna
Okay, there we go.
What's it? Where's turtle? Right here?
I think so. Where can turtle go?
That way. I'm gonna go play again.
Okay.